Okay, so now we know how to create headings. So this is the most commonly used, but sometimes you want to do more formatting, and you want to make your text bold, something like that. So the way you need to do this is, you have different ways to do this. So you could either work with a tag, this is bold, okay, and then this would become bold, or else what you could do is have to, this is also a bold text. Okay, sorry, I think what I missed out here, you need to close this as well. So this is also bold text. Alright, another way that you could write bold is, you could do it like this. So this is also a bold text. So you have three different ways of writing text in bold. So this is the third one that I showed you. Let me put them all together. So you could either have two asterisks, and one thing to note out here is, this is a bold text, right? So one thing that you need to note here is, this is bold, right? So yeah, so that's how it works. I hope this was useful.